everybody, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this middle part ponytail, because I know that when I'm out in public, people be like,
how you get your hair laid out like that?
And I just be like,
girl, what I put on my hair is oh, you waiting on me to tell you? Well, if you want to know, then you gotta keep watching the video. So let's get into it. I ain't even gonna hold you up.
so I'm going to show you the products that I use. So the first product I use is my Gro Stimulating Hair Oil. Next, I use my Kiss EdgeFixer and Lemon Drop Scent Max Hold. And this stuff smells really good, and it also gets your hair really sleek. Next, I use my MIELLE Edge Gel. I don't know how you say it, but I'm going to say MIELLE. I mean, hey. Next, I'm going to use a hair tie, an elastic band, scissors, a rat tail comb, a Denman brush, and a wide tooth comb. And lastly, I'm going to use my spray bottle full of water and essential oils. I also mix castor oil in here as well. And I'm just going to go on to oiling my scalp. Now I'm ready to start taking down my braids.
Call you lady, lady. You say lady, lady. If I think you'll be my baby, I'm gonna shoot my shot and call you lady, lady.
So now I just want to make sure that my part is as straight as possible, because we don't like no crooked parts, okay? If we can help it, we don't go out like that, you know what I'm saying? So
I'm going to use my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to go and make my part as straight as I can make it.
Say something on my mind. Maybe I should say that.
So I like to put my part somewhere in the middle of my head, like in this area. And I'm going to take my Denman brush.
We feel it. I know she want me. I said I can feel it, she feel it, we feel it. I know she want me. I said I can feel it, she feel it, we feel it. I know she want me. Wait.
The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my hair with this water and oil mixture.
So I'm just gonna spray the top part.
So you wanna spray your edges a little bit, because we're gonna put product there as well. And just rake it through with your hands.
And the first product that I like to use to get my hair laid down is going to be by Kiss. And this is their EdgeFixer. And you can always apply more.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I use a lot of gel when I do this. And for the white part, you're just gonna spray it with some water, and then we're gonna brush that through. And once you start brushing your hair, the white part is gonna go away. So now I have my hair bow, and I'm gonna spray the edge of my hair. I'm just gonna spray lightly the back of my head, and I'm gonna put just a little bit of gel back there too, about this much. And I'm gonna do the same to the other side. And you're just gonna put your hair in a ponytail.
So this part is important for flyaways, and that's why I love this product, okay? Okay, so now what I like to do is just spray my hands a little bit with my oil and water. Not too much, but this is just to get any more of the white residue out before we go on to the last step here, okay?
Now for the headband step, you're just gonna take your headband and your scissors, and you're gonna look for the part in your headband that connects it. You're just gonna snip that. Now, I only wrap my ponytail around like 3 times because you want to be able to take it off easily for this next step. So now you're going to take your cut headband and put it on the end of your part. Take the 2 ends to the back of your head and lift your ponytail up and away from the 2 bands. And you're just going to tie them into a little knot 1 time and hold on to the spot where you put the knot. Now you're just gonna slide the hair bow off and take your 2 ends of your headband and squeeze it a little bit, but you don't want it to be too tight because you want to be able to move it. I'm just going to push it up a little bit and start to move it back gently because you don't want it to get loose, and you're just going to squeeze.
And then, if it's not where you want it, you can always redo that last step. You want to make sure that you're holding it tight, but not too tight, because if you're going to be wearing this all day, it is definitely going to give you a headache. So make sure that it's not too tight, but that it's just tight enough to hold the ponytail.
Now you're gonna take your two ends and just make one knot at the top, avoiding pulling any hair, of course. Now you're kind of just wrapping it around so it can be like a hairball. You just lightly spray your hair.
You take your red tail comb and just comb your hair into the position you want it in. And this is also going to help you get any more residue out of your hair. And you just keep spraying it as you need it and applying more gel as you need it if any hair starts to stick up in it.
I say if you're classy but you're reckless, then you gon' get choose a necklace. Lady, lady, you say lady, lady. I say if you're classy but you're reckless, then you gon' get choose a necklace. Lady, lady, you say lady, lady. I said if you're classy but you're reckless, then you gon' get choose a necklace. Lady, lady, I say lady, lady. If you're classy but you're reckless, then you gon' get choose a necklace. Lady, lady, last time. Lady, lady.
You're just going to take your water and spray your hands a little bit. And put that on your hair. And it's going to help the gel to dry smoothly, okay? And that's pretty much it. This is what your hair is going to look like when you're done.
So that's all it takes to do this very quick, easy hairstyle. So I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a like and subscribe. And with all that being said, peace.